So I bet when you hear the term drop shipping, this is what comes to your mind. Yeah, don't worry. We all have our special moments sometimes in life.
I bought curry goat from you guys, and I ate the whole thing of curry goat. And I'm a vegan. Nobody told me that goat was an animal.
Yo, wagwan YouTube. My name is Demetress Fairman, and in this video today, we're going to talk about what dropshipping is. Can it be done from anywhere? How can it be done? And most importantly, smash the like button. Smash like, share, and subscribe. And let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers by Christmas. It will mean the world for me, because Santa Claus now coming at this Rona time. So anyways guys, let's go to the video. So with Rona causing a lot of businesses to shut down, it only leaves one direction for them to go, and that is online. So a lot of online businesses just pop up left, right, and center. And reason being is that it's cheaper than a regular brick and mortar business, and it's easier to set up. The only thing that's left for us to do to get this done is to just
free your mind.
Anyways, you guys must think we just watch a lot of Matrix, but yeah, that's the truth. I just watch 1, 2, and 3 on Netflix, so you guys can just bash me in the comment section if you don't agree with that. Either ways, I don't care. I love Matrix. So with all these ideas just popping up everywhere, one idea that I think you guys should try is dropshipping. And what is dropshipping, you might ask? So dropshipping is a fulfillment method by which you, as the buyer, purchases from a supplier whom then handles all the fulfillment processes for you to your customer without no product interaction on your part. So basically, you as the seller has no interaction with the product. You don't handle delivery, and you don't handle any product fulfillment or storage of the sort. The only thing that you have to focus on is customer service and marketing your product, and just making sure that customers land on your website. So the way you go about setting up your dropshipping store is to, number one, set up legally. I personally would go this route because it's always good to have your business done legally and registered the proper way. Some suppliers or wholesalers won't do business with people who aren't set up officially. So to get the better wholesalers and the better suppliers, they always look for business to business relationships, B2B. However, some dropshipping stores, personally, that I have done before, unsuccessfully though, but I have done it, I never registered that business. So basically, you can do it without registering your business, but it's always good to have it in the back of your mind that eventually when profits start to go up, that you should register your business. So the next step in your dropshipping adventure would be to find products to sell. And how do you find products to sell cheap? Well, basically we go to wholesalers, and 2 online wholesalers that you guys can find are called AliExpress and Alibaba. Yes, Alibaba and the party thieves. But anyway, AliExpress and Alibaba are great Chinese manufacturers, so you know what that means. You get a variety of products at cheap prices. AliExpress specializes in bulk orders and also single item purchases. Alibaba on the other end, they have a minimum amount that you can purchase. So it's mostly wholesale or bulk items that you can purchase from those websites. However, when ordering from these websites, just be sure to order on the website and place orders on the website, because you will get emails. You will get a lot of emails once you join these sites from sellers, and most of these sellers are scammers. Be sure to order through the website, because if anything happens, you can always file a complaint. But some questions that you need to ask your suppliers before you start are: do you guys offer drop shipping? What is your return or damage policy? How long do you guys take to ship products? Can I do customization of the package or the actual product? Can I put my company's logo on the packaging? And are you a manufacturer of the products that you sell? By the way, if you guys like this content and if you find value in this video, just give it a like, share it, and subscribe, guys. Trust me, 1,000, it's on its way. Anyways, don't encourage me to sing, I've lost that talent. Being that people sell physical products in a physical store, it begs to ask the question, how can I sell physical products online? But don't fear, we have an online solution. And that solution is a website that's called Shopify. And Shopify is an online e-commerce heaven. This website is optimized for all your e-commerce needs. It has free themes and plugins and web apps to help facilitate almost everything that you guys need to do your online store. And if you want more information on Shopify, them all over the internet, just type in Shopify on YouTube and you'll find a video on it. But Shopify only cannot get the operation done because you want a program to populate your Shopify store. And that program is called Oberlo. And it helps to pull or import information from AliExpress or Alibaba and populate your website. And it tracks delivery dates, it tracks invoices, it tracks the supplier's price, and it matches it to your selling price. So Oberlo basically is like a little secretary, you know? So now we're at the interesting part, and this is actually collecting the money. But here comes the hard part. Since we're living in the Caribbean and we hardly get anything good here, the question pops up, how do we accept payments? I have 3 ways that you guys can accept payment. Number 1, I have a US bank account. So already it's easier to set up Shopify payments using a US bank account. The other way that you guys can get this US bank account is to either fly out, go to Bank of America because they don't need a social security to set up a bank account. You can do it through Bank of America, or speak to a family member that's living overseas and you and them can set up some business or some communication together as to how you guys can get it done, and you be the person that owns the business, but you're just using their information to get it done. So that's part 1 of how to actually receive payments. Part 2 is NCB, and I'm not completely sure of this option, but recently I was watching an NCB webinar and it's called NCB e-commerce. They have 2 options. You can either set up a NCB template, so they have a template which they integrated with Figaro, which you can customize your own web page and accept payments from Visa, debit, and MasterCard on the NCB template website. Another thing to do with NCB is to integrate their NCB payment button into your Shopify website. However, you will need the help of a developer or web programmer to help integrate this API into your website. And the third way, which I think is the best way, is to set up an LLC in the country which you wish to operate business. So for instance, we're setting up an LLC in the United States. I have 2 ways in which you can set up an LLC in the United States from Jamaica. One of them is called Stripe Atlas, and another one is called firstbase.io. And if you visit their website, you can see the options in which you guys can set up an LLC in this company, and you can even get a banking card or credit card through them. So basically you have a business entity in the country. However, before trying any of these, please think along the lines of, do I see myself actually doing this business to its full potential? Because it is a business, guys, and it is a risk. So are you willing to take that risk and actually establish a business? If so, I think it's best to contact NCB and ask them about their NCB e-commerce platform. Ask them how can you possibly integrate it into your Shopify store, or how can you actually set up your own website template using their NCB e-commerce platform. And for setting up an LLC, to me, I think this is the best alternative because it sets you up directly in the United States. And once you're in the United States as a business, you can basically operate all over the world and sell all over the world seamlessly. But it's easy enough if you guys are in the United States. Just go to a Bank of America or just set up a bank account, and there you have your payment window right there with no hiccups. Personally, I have that one, and probably in the future, I probably set up an LLC. I'm using probably a lot. Every time I say probably, smash the like button, but don't double tap, because if you double tap, you unlike. Smash the like button, guys. Anyways, to the next point. So now that we know what dropshipping is, what platforms can I start dropshipping on, how can I populate my dropshipping store using Oberlo, where to get my products from, then you launch your store. So that is the last point, launching your store. And this is the hard part, because everything before that is easy, but launching your store is the hard part. Because how will somebody know that your store exists in the first place? The internet is vast. Look on YouTube. Look how hard I have to share my videos all over the place to get people to view them. That's the same thing with a website. Not because you make one and have an awesome product. Who know about your product? So this is where SEO and marketing comes into place. So SEO is search engine optimization, and that is basically what Google uses for people to find you. So you put in keywords into your website. So if somebody's searching for a purple handbag and they type purple handbag and you sell it, you're supposed to pop up. Use correct keywords so that if somebody puts in a search query, you come up, or your product that matches that query comes up. Another way is marketing. Instagram and Facebook ads, cheapest alternatives to advertising is those two. Facebook ads and Instagram ads. Get used to them, use them a lot, and then do the traditional thing, which is sharing your content or sharing your website to everybody you know, and using word of mouth to let people know, hey, I sell purple handbags, and to get your website up and running. So that's basically dropshipping, guys. That's my 2 cents on this topic, and I have tried this business model and I have failed, but I rushed it. I didn't know what I was doing, but I used it as a learning step, a step to greatness. And who knows, I might do it again in the future, and I might put it on YouTube so you guys can see what I do and how can you get it done. Yeah, but that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And if you found value in this video, don't only like, share, and subscribe, but turn on the post notifications. Be here every weekend when I post, because I'm learning just as you guys are learning. I'm not an expert on anything of the matter, but I'm just a humble Jamaican youth trying to make this online bread, you know? Well, anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and until next time, signing out.